everybody, I'm back. This is the 2019 Prizm Baseball Blaster boxes that I spoke of in the Rack Pack Bonus Pack Fat Pack opening that I've already posted for you guys. A couple things I wanted to clear up. In that video I was saying somebody was asking me and I pulled any parallels. I think, I haven't watched the video again, but I think I was saying Dave Carter, and I think maybe he was asking for Gary Carter. I don't know how in the world I came up with Dave Carter. Because I think I was thinking of Dave Winfield and combined him with Gary Carter, and now I don't even remember who this person was asking for. I'm going to have to go back and look at the message. Anyways, the other thing I was questioning, since I collect Mike Piazza, was questioning whether or not he was in the set at all, and he is. I went and looked at the checklist, and the cards, the base cards, are divided into 3 tiers. I assume as the tiers climb, it's tougher to get the cards, and indeed Mike Piazza is in tier 3, so that would explain why I haven't seen hide nor hair of him, as we say in the South, in any of the boxes and packs that I've opened thus far. Another thing, I was talking about opening blaster boxes and that how I would be getting the exclusive purple parallels. Well, I didn't think about the fact that I had ordered these from Target, and that often Walmart and Target do different things, and this is actually saying you do get purples, but it's also saying look for the green. And when I opened those rack packs, bonus packs, whatever, I pulled a green and I was like, what is this? Is this a super short print? And yeah, apparently it is. So the greens look like they're across probably all the retail stuff, and I mean the purples are still there. I don't know why I'm making a difference, but yeah, sometimes Target and Walmart do have different things. So I said that completely wrong. Purple still exists here, but they did make a point to point out the green, where when I opened those retail packs, I didn't see any mention of the green. And not that I could read anyways, because the print was too small. So anyways, I don't know if Target's still running the sale, but I'm going to post this very soon, so it's likely. As I said, with the fat packs, Target was offering a $25 gift card if you spent over $100 on cards. I think toys were included in that too, so if you want to check that out, be my guest, and let's get into this. What do we got here? 6 boxes of Prizm. There's no guaranteed hit of any sort. The only guarantee is the bonus parallel pack. But I'm glad I got the question answered about where's Mike Piazza and what the green was. I'll move you back just a little bit. All right. Marte, Sano, Bryce Harper, Lumber Inc., and a blue Willie Calhoun. Good start, insert and parallel. Whit Merrifield, Corey Kluber, Illumination Silver, Charlie Blackmon, and a red rookie Cedric Mullins. Chris Archer, Miles Straw rookie, Aaron Judge, and Dontrell Willis. Danny Jansen, Chris Bryant, Cabrera, and a Nick Williams snakeskin that is numbered out of 50. Nice little pull there out of a blaster. If you watch that other break, you'll see I did get an auto out of those packs, so hoping I could maybe get one out of one of these blasters. There's an Andujar numbers game and a red rookie Garrett Hampson. And then our exclusive parallels: Felix Hernandez, Adrian Beltre, Luis Castillo, and Rodon. So that is box 1. What am I doing? That's already open. Moving on. All of these will be in my eBay store soon. It is Thursday evening right now. Obviously I have to work my regular jobs tomorrow, but I will try to get these in the store on Saturday, possibly up for auction. Some stuff may be just straight up for sale. Malik Smith, Bryce Wilson rookie, Devers, and Starlin Castro blue. Jeffress, Ponce de Leon, Taylor Ward rookie, and a red JD Martinez. I'm trying to come up with a way to give you guys first dibs on cards that you see me pull. I'm putting some thought into that, because really the guys and gals who watch the channel should really be able to get the cards first. Cave, Dakota Hudson, Kopech Scorching Silver, nice. And there's Gary Carter. There he is. He's in tier 3. Not Dave Carter, but Gary Carter. Mancini, Smoke, Berrios, Cedric Mullins, Blue Mojo. Mojo, baby, yeah. Alright. Severino, Wade Davis, oh, this is nice. Kikuchi, rookie silver. That's a nice card. And Wade Davis, red. Castellanos purple, Pollock, Mr. Albert Pujols, and Edwin Encarnacion. And that is box 2. I've always said that you guys could email me about cards you see pulled, and that holds true for the most part, is for newer stuff. But the truth of the matter is, I have a ton of breaks. I open more stuff than I can actually post without bombarding everybody with videos. So some of the older stuff you see me opening could have been opened a while back. I don't feel like those breaks take top priority. This newer stuff, of course, is top priority. And then I just post the other stuff as I can. So if you see me opening something from 2015, I could have opened that several months ago. I mean, I try to post things in a timely manner, but some things get pushed back as new products come in, because that's what everybody wants to see first and foremost. So, but when it comes to actual new stuff, you can assume that I've opened it recently. There's Pujols, Bowers rookie, and a blue Carrasco. Trinan, Lester, Brantley, Molina. Of course, with some of the older stuff, you could always just check the eBay store for that stuff, and it may be there. Turner, Diaz, Bellinger, and Richard rookie. Marte, Allard, Candelario, and a Yarborough zebra skin out of 99. Really nice. Valdez rookie, Kluber, a silver Arenado, and a red Kyle Wright rookie. And then our purples. Our purples are JD Martinez, Irina Sadzik rookie, and Ahmed Rosario. If I'm being completely honest, I open so much stuff, I have more cards than I know what to do with, and that's just the truth. Yeah. When I say I'm a card crackhead, that's not an exaggeration. I have a lot, and since I work so much and don't have the time that I'd like to have to devote solely to cards, it gets out of control sometimes. It's a bit much, but I still love it. I can't help it. It's my jam. It's my thing. De Los Santos rookie, Benintendi, Otani Fireworks, and a blue Glaber. That's nice. First Glaber parallel I think I've pulled out of everything I've opened of this. Reyes, Pilar. Ah, nice. A Trevor Story Lumberjack Silver. It's the first Lumberjack Silver I've pulled. And a Dakota Hudson Red rookie. Adam Jones, Duggar, Carrasco, and Mr. Tony Gwynn. He's probably in Tier 3 too. Pollock, Scooter, Aaron Judge Machines. Haven't pulled that yet. And a Baruki rookie. This is Blue Scope, I think, out of 35. So that's nice. Definitely getting some new and different stuff out of the blaster. That's good. Manea Belt, Bryce Wilson Silver rookie, and a red Taylor Ward rookie. Our purples are David Wright, Brandon Lowe rookie, Ranger Suarez rookie, and Brandon Crawford. So we are 4 boxes in, and no signs, no sighting of an autograph. You know, I really probably should check to see if it was even possible. Try to give it a quick look over. Yeah, rookie autographs. I see the word on here. Game ball graphs. So yeah, it's possible. Just really tough, I assume. But if I could manage one out of the packs, you'd think I managed one out of 6 blaster boxes. Actually, more than 6. I opened, I may have already opened 2. Oh, gosh. 2 or more? Gosh, I lost track. At least 2, and then these. DeGrom, Mayhigh Illumination Mike Trout, very nice, and a red Brandon Nimmo. Yarborough, Rosario, Machado, and a blue Mojo Alcantara. That is numbered out of 399. Olson, Urias rookie, Aaron Judge, and Valoria. I don't recall pulling this guy before. Maybe I did and just don't remember. Kopech, Altuve, Ace. Oh, nice. Mike Trout Silver Illumination. I was happy when I got the base version, but this is much, much, much better. Those cards look sweet. Mazzara Red. Chris Sale, Derek Rodriguez, Trevor Story, Lumber Inc., and a blue David Peralta. And our purples. De Los Santos, Benintendi, Ozzie Smith, very nice. And Arenado, that was a very solid purple pack. Very nice. I didn't appreciate Ozzie Smith when he was actually playing. I just kind of overlooked him. It wasn't until he retired that I realized just how masterful he truly was. I think I've done that with a good number of players, actually, which is a shame. Alright, Reed Foley rookie, Castellanos, Scorching, Michael Kopech, and a George Springer blue. Hernandez. Oh, got a little problem with this card. Yeah, there's something all messed up on there, you see it? Anyways, Toussaint rookie and a red Austin Meadows. I have pulled the heck out of Austin Meadows parallels out of this stuff. He has been all in my face at every turn. Beltre, Scherzer, Mikolas, and Roger Clemens. I think this may be my first Roger Clemens card. I bet you anything he's on tier 3. Castillo, Cano. Hi Austin, long time no see, buddy. And I was calling this gold earlier. This actually, they call this orange, but it looks just like gold. But they call it orange donut circles out of 150. It doesn't look orange to me, it looks gold. So I was calling it gold when I pulled some out of the packs. So I'm correcting myself now. Bieber, Simmons, Nick's rookie, and a red Matt Carpenter. And last pack, Pilar, Duggar, Manea, and Corey Dickerson. So no autograph was to be had on this day, but as expected, lots of goodies. I love the look of the purples, lots of inserts, lots of parallels, some nice silver inserts, which are kind of tough to come by. Oh yeah, one snake skin, one zebra print, and yeah, that's it. Prizm Blaster boxes. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I'm always opening new stuff, and that won't stop anytime soon. Probably gonna do another giveaway soon. I know it was a big gap between the first two I've done, but I just looked at the subscriber count. It's almost to 1,000. It may even be over 1,000 by the time I post this, which is absolutely crazy. It's very, very, very much appreciated. So I think I'm gonna do another giveaway soon. So if you haven't subbed already and are thinking about it, go ahead and get your name in there so you can be in the next giveaway. And that's it. I'll have some more cards for you all soon. Bye.